I use the side door, that way Lumbergh can't see me. And after that I just sort of space out for about an hour.
Space out?
Yeah, I just stare at my desk. But it looks like I'm working. I do that for probably another hour after lunch too. I'd say in a given week, I probably only do about 15 minutes of real, actual work.
I want a chopper! Now! We will walk to the roof very calmly. I will board the chopper with my hostage. Anybody tries to stop me, the old geezer gets it. Dick, you're fired!
This man owes you an apology.
No.
God, I'm sorry, man. That'll never happen again. You guys were drinking. Don't let it happen again.